Hello, in this video you will get to know how much money we get paid as a YouTuber from YouTube for 1,000 views. So stay tuned. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, welcome to my YouTube video. First of all, thank you very much if you clicked on this video, as you guys probably want to know how much money does YouTube pay to the YouTube Partners Program. Everybody is different, everybody is uploading different videos, everybody is following different content. There are many videos out there you will get to see. Everybody is getting paid differently. It all depends on your YouTube channel. Okay, there are different variations, there are different categories, there are different fields, there are different sort of material out there are different duration of the videos, there's a different niches that people are following. So you need to basically first of all understand that what your content is all about if you want to become a YouTube partner, or you are thinking that you want to be on YouTube and upload videos. It's very simple to understand in one way, that it all depends on the actual content. So let's say the content, if you don't understand in a simple language, is what your video is all about. What you're going to show on your YouTube channel in your videos, what kind of information, what kind of category you are in, what is your videos all about, how long your videos are, how catchy your thumbnails are. Everything matters when you are uploading a video. The competition out there on YouTube is very hard. It's not simple anymore. Back in days when people used to get a lot of money from YouTube, now YouTube has laid out so many rules and regulations. You have to follow that. YouTube also helps you to kind of give you information. How can you earn more money? How can you make your videos more attractive and more useful for the audience? And also you can get ideas how to keep the retention of the audience, so you can get hold of more subscribers and more views on your YouTube. Now the question becomes more complex here, that how much YouTube pays per 1,000 views. Guys, it's very complicated. Put it this way, if we take the average on my channel, I have more than 200 videos roughly on my channel right now, or maybe just under 200 videos. If I show you my videos, every single video the CPM is different. It all depends what content I am uploading. Every single topic, every single video has a different CPM rate. So if someone's uploading a vlog, that'll be a different CPM. If somebody's talking about food, it's going to be a different CPM. It all depends on the advertisers, how much money they're willing to pay on your video. It does not come from the YouTube. A lot of people think that YouTube pays you directly for your videos. That's not the case, guys. YouTube will pay you what advertisers are paying on your video once your YouTube channel is monetized. Please guys, be aware, to get paid on the YouTube, you need to complete 4,000 hours of watch time and also 1,000 subscribers. This is the limit that you have to have on your channel before you get your channel monetized. Different countries is a different scenario. It all depends. Now, for example, if your channel is in Asia and your content is in an Asian language and it's not in English, your CPM rate becomes different. It all depends how much advertisers are willing to pay. Now, if you come to the European countries such as United Kingdom, France, Germany, and all the other countries, Spain, Italy, it all depends, because a lot of people in the European countries, they do online shopping. And also it depends what kind of content you are uploading on your video. And in European countries, what kind of content people are following, what kind of videos. Let's say entertainment videos are everywhere, same. So there could be a music difference, it could be a content difference, could be a language difference. Everything is different in terms of where you are. Of course, there are common topics where people are uploading videos on, such as technology channels, such as health and fitness, such as food. That could be similarity. But in other cases, it also depends what language you are using. If your content is in a Hindi or Urdu or in Arabic language or any other language, then the CPM might differ. But if your content is in English language, the CPM will differ from normal rates, because a lot of people in the European countries and United States, they do a lot of online shopping. So advertiser will tend to pay more money on the videos that basically attracting the attention of a European audience. So you need to understand here. On my YouTube channel, I have different CPM. I have reaction videos. It has a completely different CPM. I do reaction videos on different singers. So it depends where the singer is from, how many views I'm getting. I get paid accordingly. If my content is about news, that's going to be a different CPM. If my content is about airline industry, let's say that I've got videos on Emirates Airline when I flew to Dubai for a trip, there's a different CPM on those videos. Then I have a vlog video. On the vlogs, it's a completely different CPM. So it varies from $1 CPM up to $10 CPM. So guys, it all depends on the content. Variation could be completely different. YouTube does not pay the same amount of money on every single video, because it all varies depending on the content. Now, let me give you some hints, some ideas. If you are uploading a video on the health and fitness, you might be able to get a better CPM. But again, you cannot predict the same CPM on every single health and fitness videos. It all depends on the keywords, the topic that you're talking about, the duration of your video. If your video is quite long, you get to get more ads in your videos. So the duration of video also a very important factor if you are talking about the CPM. Basically, it varies. I mean, I'm surprised when one of my video had a $10.16 CPM on it. I was surprised. Normally, the average person, the average YouTuber gets paid $2 per thousand views, but that also depends on the content. I do have some videos where CPM is very low. I mean, low means very low. Up to CPM could be up to 76 cents. And there are videos that the CPM is $2.13. There are videos that the CPM is $3. There are videos the CPM is $4, and there is a one video the CPM on that is $10. And I'm completely surprised because of the content I just uploaded. So you will be able to see the proof of the CPMs in my video. I'm gonna give you some screenshots. You'll be able to see how much money the YouTube is paying me for my per thousand views on different videos. So guys, this is exactly what it is. So on the average, if I look at it, the average person who gets paid is sort of, let's say if he has some really high CPM videos and really low CPM videos, average does become just $2 per thousand views. That's what you get. $2 per thousand views. So if you take it up to 1 million, it could be $2,000 per video. But there are some shocking videos that I have seen that people had 26 million views, 1 million views, 30 million views, and the CPM was very low. It all depends on the content. Is automatically decided by the system in place by YouTube, and it all depends what advertisers are willing to pay on your content, on your video. So guys, I hope this information was quite useful to you. Please do keep in mind there is no set CPM for every single video. It all depends on the content, and it all depends what advertisers are willing to pay on your video. So guys, thank you very much for watching this long. At the end, I want to give you one simple message. Is if this is the first time you guys are watching my YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe. And if you find this information useful, please give a thumbs up and keep watching my videos. Bye bye.